To set corner action for bottom left, to do the drag and drop function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap bottom left. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on option next to drag and drop to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, now go to the screen where you can do a drag and drop function. As the example, we will use this function to move a widget or the app icon on the home screen. To do so, go to your home screen. Next, hover and stop your mouse pointer on the bottom left corner of the screen. Then bring the pointer to the app icon you like to drag and then bring the pointer to the point where you want to drop the apps icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.